What is up, everyone? It's your boy Isaac Medina. I'm back with another episode. AI Dadpreneur here. So this next tool is called Catalyst. It's an AI storytelling software that came on AppSumo a few weeks ago, and it's amazing, guys. I can't wait to show you guys what I was able to create with just a few prompts. And yeah, it's amazing. It's kind of like Pictory slash InVideo, but it's growing, so it's going to continue to grow. They're going to continue to add to it. It's just going to blow your mind when some of the things that you can do with this. So some of the things on here, let's see. Catalyst is a storytelling studio software. It lets you choose two visual styles, a sketch or cinematic, for realistic movie like visuals. So you guys could create your own avatars, and these are all AI generated characters that you can add in your slides. You can adjust. A lot of the editing on here is awesome. If you guys used Canva Magic Media tool, that AI software that they have on Canva now, Catalyst has something similar to it. It's pretty cool. You guys need to check it out. And I like it a lot because it's you can pick certain aspects of it, and you could actually add. So like if I wanted to change something on here, I could literally select this area here, and I can have somebody standing right here next to this person here, maybe his supervisor, or someone here. I can actually have like a woman or his partner that he's doing this action movie with or something. I can add that there too. It's pretty cool. It's awesome, guys. And here you get a lifetime deal. You have three tiers. The first one, $49. You get one user, and then you get 250 images per month. And some of the features you get is obviously lifetime access to it. And let's see, you get AI storyboard generation. You can import a CSV and Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, adjust framing and angles, character pose, and it's pretty cool, guys. Once I show you guys, I can't wait. Automatic prompt engineering and 32 characters, all current and future characters as well. So that's pretty cool. And this is 49 bucks, guys. It's a steal. And for $99, you get unlimited images and you get all the features above. Plus, you get unlimited, and you only use it if you're a solopreneur like me. You only need one user, so 99 bucks, that's not bad at all. And so also, if you plan on maybe starting an agency or you own an agency, you can do 5 users and have unlimited images per month. That's awesome too, and you can collaborate in real time for 199. It's awesome, guys. And so one of the things too that I noticed from the founder is that I believe they mentioned on here that they are going to be using ChatGPT 4.0, um, and not 3.5. So that's an awesome thing there too as well. But yeah, so if you head over to the website, you can see Catalyst, and you can start a trial if you wanted to start it off before buying the AppSumo deal. But once you guys start it, you guys will love it. And so let me head over, let me sign in here so I can show you guys what I was able to create based off of what I was able to create with ChatGPT and Catalyst and Pictory. So I was able to create this story here. I called it Humble Beginnings. The character, his name is Noah, and he grew up in a humble neighborhood. And his parents they were immigrants from Mexico, and they only came with a second grade education, but they worked tirelessly and juggling multiple jobs. They were able to make ends meet, and um, even though they lived in poverty, they had their, strong work ethic and an unbreakable spirit. And Noah saw that growing up. And so he took that same determination and he worked his way up from working multiple jobs to starting his own business, attending events, finding mentors, and he finally was able to start his own little business. And he worked tirelessly, even working, selling fruits at the local market and all that. And he grew up. He was able to scale his business to be successful, and then he turned around and shared it with his community, and he became a role model to him, not only his family, his wife and kids, but his community as well. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys what I was able to. I wanted to show you guys what I was able to do with Catalyst and Pictory. And here's my final product.
Once upon a time, in a small, humble neighborhood lived a young man named Noah. Noah's parents were immigrants who came to the country with little more than their hope for a better future. Despite having only a second-grade education, they worked tirelessly, often juggling multiple jobs to make ends meet. They lived in poverty, but their spirit and work ethic were rich and unbreakable. Noah grew up watching his parents' relentless hard work and determination. From them, he learned the value of perseverance and the importance of striving for one's dreams, regardless of the obstacles. Noah's dream was not just for personal success, but to start a business that would honor his family's journey and serve as a beacon of hope for his community. With the lessons of his upbringing etched deeply in his heart, Noah began to lay the groundwork for his business. Coming from a background with limited resources and connections, he knew it wouldn't be easy. But what Noah lacked in wealth, he made up for in grit and vision. He started small with a tiny office space he could barely afford, working long hours and learning everything he could about his chosen industry. Noah's business slowly grew, fueled by his unyielding dedication and the high standards of hard work instilled in him by his parents. He faced many challenges along the way, but his resolve never wavered. Years later, Noah's business flourished, becoming a testament to his hard work and dedication. He became not only a successful entrepreneur, but also a role model in his community, inspiring others to pursue their dreams with tenacity and resilience.
So yeah, guys, that's what I was able to create with Catalyst and Pictory combined with ElevenLabs and all that. So, and I'm actually working on a course. It's a no face YouTube channel course. It's called Hidden AI Hidden Hero. It's going to be an awesome course, guys. So make sure you check out the description down below for this new course that I'm working on. And yeah, I'll be going into detail on how I was able to use Catalyst and Pictory and ElevenLabs to create a video like that, where we can take that AI generation from Catalyst and Pictory to create these no-face YouTube channels. And so, yeah, that's why I told you Catalyst is awesome, guys. It has a 4.5 taco rating, which is awesome. I'm not going to read that, but for me, I love Catalyst and I can't wait for it to grow. And it's going to have way more tools, way more features added according to the founder. And I can't wait to see it where it's going to go. And for me, I'm loving it because I like that unlimited images, where we can create as many stories as we want in Catalyst with AI plan of having the tier 2, which is what I recommend. That's what I ended up getting. I got the tier 2, and for a solopreneur and creating a no-face channel, this is like hands down, this is a no-brainer. This is tier 2. I'm going to recommend that every day. And even when this deal is gone, which you guys should be picking it up ASAP before it's gone, I'm still going to recommend it. It's worth it if you sign up for the regular plan without the AppSumo deal. Right off the bat, it's awesome. And if you want to learn in tutorials on in-depth on how to use this, I will be sharing that in my new course that I have. But yeah, so make sure you check out my next episode. And for now, have a good one, and I'll see you later. Peace.